Good morning, everyone. So now we will be discussing about our next topic, which is acid rain. So first of all, let us discuss what is actually acid rain. So acid rain is defined as the acidic nature of rainwater due to dissolution of air pollutants. Now, a question arises: is what sort of air pollutants cause acid rain? So the answer is for this question is like the air pollutants which are most commonly created by human beings. What are those air pollutants which are created by human beings? These air pollutants are primary pollutants. Primary pollutants which are created by primary pollutants created by humans due to the burning of fossil fuels are as are mostly causing acidic rain. So primary pollutants created by humans by burning of fossil fuels by burning of fossil fuels cause acid rain. By burning of fossil fuels cause acid rain. So, when primary pollutants react with the rainwater, they form acidic rain with secondary pollutants. When primary pollutants actually react with rainwater, they form secondary pollutants, and these secondary pollutants mix up with the rain which falls over the earth. So, in that sense, that creates rain which is acidic in nature, and that rain has almost a pH of 4. Previously, the pH of rain is already 5. pH of normal rainwater, pH of rainwater is 5 is 5.6 to 6. But when the primary pollutants react with rainwater to form secondary pollutants, the pH of rainwater converts into increasingly acidic nature, causing it to become 4. So, in that sense, the pH is also decreased, causing rainwater to turn acidic, and that harms soil, animals, plants, and aquatic life. So, acidic rain is basically harmful for every life on earth as well as the soil on earth. So now let us discuss about the chemical reaction which further clarifies the effect of acid rain. How does acid rain is formed? So let us suppose a primary pollutant which is sulfur dioxide. When sulfur dioxide reacts with H2O or rainwater, it forms sulfuric acid. So, sulfuric acid is formed when sulfur dioxide reacts with water to form sulfuric acid. So, sulfuric acid is the secondary pollutant which falls over the earth alongside with rainwater. So, that causes to the damage monuments over earth which consist of calcium carbonate, which will be further be discussing about in as effects of acid rain. So in that sense that is very harmful, and that is a major concept of acid rain. However, the rain which falls over the earth is already acidic due to presence of slight molecules of carbon dioxide in normal rainwater. Carbon dioxide is present in normal rainwater, but due to the presence of reaction of primary pollutants with rainwater, it causes to further form secondary pollutants which are more harmful and cause the rain to become more acidic in nature. So that's about acid rain. Okay, so now we will be discussing about effects of acid rain. So the first effect of acid rain is such that deposition of heavy metals from the earth into lakes and rivers. Heavy metals such as aluminium, platinum, chromium, and many others heavy metals such as mercury and silver as well can be mixed up with the rainwater and be deposited in rivers and lakes, which causes rivers and lake water to become hazardous for drinking purposes as well as hazardous for drinking purposes, as well as make it hazardous for marine life, as marine life is highly affected and influenced by the impact of this drinking water, of this lake and river water. As in the lake and river water, these heavy metals react with H2O and combine to form certain harmful compounds, which is quite harmful for drinking purposes as well as marine life. As humans drink this water, that causes humans to that causes certain diseases to be born in humans. So that can cause waterborne diseases in humans as well as in other animals. While marine animals gills can be clogged or blocked by these heavy metals, as aluminium is highly sensitive, as fishes are highly sensitive to aluminium ions. So in that sense, their gills can be blocked, which causes them to perish ultimately. Secondly, we have drab and degradation of monuments. As we know that monuments consist of limestone and chalk. So these limestone and chalk consist of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a compound which is quite sensitive to acid rain. So as the acid rain falls over monuments which are made up of calcium carbonate, these monuments start to degrade and drop due to reaction of calcium carbonate with rainwater. So, all right. Afterwards, acidity of soil. So the soil becomes more acidic, and due to more acidity of soil, the crops are unable to be grown on those soils, and the and plant it is quite hard for plants and trees to thrive in that environment. So in that sense, acidity of soil is caused by effects of acid rain. All right. Afterwards, that is harmful for plants um and trees. So harmful for plants in such a manner that plant leaves are restricted in their development for plant development, and plant development may be impeded depending on the severity of the injury. So in that sense, the plants are going to become more harmful, are unable to extract metals from the soil, as the soil is already acidic and plants are unable to grow properly, as the acid and directly affects leaves of the plants on the one hand, and they are unable to extract the ions or metal ions from the soil ultimately. So in that sense, there are two major reasons for harmful for effects of acid rain on plants. They can cause unable to extract unable to extract metal ions, and direct harm over plants. So here we have discussed some of the reasons why acid rain is harmful and why it should be avoided, why it can directly or indirectly harm human life and other lives and livelihood on earth. So in that sense, these are some of the major causes, and hopefully that's quite clarified to you. All right. Thanks for